Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that is showing the emergency calls only. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now here again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting it will fix your network problem. But after restarting, if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on this restart option here to reset your mobile network settings. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. And after resetting the mobile network settings, it will definitely fix your problem. But after these solutions, if you are still facing the same problem, then the last solution is take out your SIM from the mobile and reinsert it. And after reinserting the SIM card will start working and your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.